Guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA Ignition Marine Fuel Filter and Water Separator Kit. Now, this kit can be used on a variety of gas and diesel engines in marine applications. And the purpose of this is it filters the fuel in the filter here, and then water actually settles here. And you're able to drain the water out rather than that water going into your engine. So you can see this black piece here. This is actually a petcock that you can unscrew and it will drain the water that separates out there. And then over here, this is actually a plug. If your engine has a water in fuel separator, or excuse me, water in fuel sensor, you can attach a sensor in this location. This is a bleeder screw up here to bleed the air out of the system. And if you look at the top over here, you'll see there's 2 arrows going in and 2 arrows going out. So you can use any combination. So you could use this as an in, and you could use this as an out, or you could use this as an in, this as an out, and vice versa. And in order to do that, we include 2 plugs and 2 barb fittings here. So what you'd want to do is you could use this as an in, you could use this as an out, and then you would actually put your plugs in the other 2 ports. One here and one here. That would be a typical setup. Now we also include a roll of Teflon tape. You'll want to install that tape on the threads of both the barbs and the plugs. And when you wrap that tape on, you'll want to wrap it in a counterclockwise direction. And that way, as you're screwing the fitting in, the tape doesn't come off. Now, if you guys have any questions about the kit, if it's for your specific application or installing it, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be glad to help.